Hi there. Today we're going to make a new recipe. Hopefully it's something that you like. Rick's ready to eat, of course. We're going to make lasagna roll-ups. And this is very easy, and we have a very convenient ingredient here. We have lasagna sheets that don't need to be boiled. And all we're going to do is lay them out on our cutting board, roll them up with some really nutritious and delicious ingredients.
Meat?
Well, you can make a meat one, you can make a meat dish, I'll make a veggie dish. And you can also use all the veggies. How's that? Well, the ingredients we're going to use are some fresh spinach, and I have it already chopped up. We have some zucchini noodles, the zoodles, and these are strings of zucchini. Some people make their own, some people buy them at a veggie market already cut up, and this time I bought the veggie noodle zucchini from Wegmans. It's in the frozen section. It's not the most economical way, but I just wanted to show it as an option if you don't have one of those zoodle things.
Can I use my sausage back here left over from lunch?
Yeah, Rick's going to make his with sausage in that we made in the Johnsonville sausage cooker. And well, put it on that plate there. And we're also going to use some seasonings, like we have Italian herbs that are moist and fresh. We have some minced onion. We have a whole bunch of chopped up garlic. We're going to use vodka blush sauce, some shredded mozzarella, ricotta cheese, and some Parmigiano Romano cheese grated. So we have so many good ingredients, and we got to roll them all into a little bundle. So we're going to
lasagna burrito.
Yeah, a lasagna burrito.
Can I roll this right in there, or should we chop it up?
We should chop it up. So you want to chop it up before we chop it on that plate, and we'll put the sheets down on the table here. Okay, now this is the Rana brand of sheets, and I saw that you can get them in several stores. ShopRite has them, and Weiss has them. So they look like this. They're very thin, and they're a little fragile looking. Normally you would make a pan of lasagna and just layer these in like this, right? But we're going to try the roll-up method and see if we can keep them from breaking up.
Poor sausage.
They're pretty small. We're going to have to...
That might be enough. How many am I making?
Yeah, that's good. Put your plate here. And then we could show them on the table as we do this. We're going to bake them in a Pyrex dish. So we want to roll them this way, I believe. It'll be a perfect fit. If we roll them this way. Right?
All right.
All right, I'm going to stack you up with 3 here.
3 for me?
3 for you and 3 for me. I have 6 pieces here. I don't know if they're going to crumble or not. I think the first thing we should do is spread on some ricotta cheese. Can you turn that thing around?
Ricotta.
Ricotta.
Some people are only Italian when they say cheese
Oh, yeah.
names.
I always say ricotta. Ricotta cheese. So I'll take the dish away for now so you can see better. So we're just gonna, here's a spoon for you.
Am I doing that on mine too?
Yeah, just spread it out nicely. Try not to let this crack. Be a little gentle, Mr. Mamana.
Should we have the oven preheated maybe?
Yeah, we're gonna cook this at 350 degrees. We got a little extra there. Okay, it's good because we're gonna roll this in.
Yeah.
Now while we have, this out, let's put some seasonings. We're gonna put some Italian herbs. Would you like that on yours?
Go ahead.
Okay. Smell them?
Yeah, it smells good. 350?
Yeah, 350. Thank you. I'm going to put all my seasonings in the first layer here because everything else will just pile on top. This is the minced onion.
I think there's too much cheese in there.
Maybe.
Might squeeze out the end.
It might.
Okay.
Now some.
That's my meat.
Okay, I'm going to put my garlic next.
Sausage on mine.
Lots of garlic here. Would you like garlic next?
Go ahead. Now just roll it up, right?
No. Well, would you like any veggies?
No.
There's nice spinach, and
No, no.
we're going to take the zucchini noodles.
Smells
So I
good.
don't know if they can see this up here. Nice long noodles made from zucchini.
Roll.
And then you're gonna put mozzarella. Mozzarella. And I'm gonna put some spinach in there. Just a pinch or two. It looks like we're gonna make one. We're making it so big.
See how it rolls.
Alright, and a little mozzarella. And a little Parmesan. Okay, now see what we can do with the roll. If it's loose, it's okay, because that,
I don't know what to crack.
I know. Do you think we should make two
Lasagna
separate?
burrito, see?
Yeah, good job.
Let's just...
Go
You wanna
ahead.
fit like that?
Yeah, I think that's the best way. All right. Should I put... I'll put this in a separate dish. All right.
Make some more now?
Yes. I'm going to make the next one. Did we learn anything? Did we put too much cheese?
Maybe. At this end it should be less. That's where it all
Okay.
comes out at.
Okay. Well, stack it up the way you like. It's going to have a lot of flavor. Maybe you want to add salt and pepper, but there's a lot of salt in the sauce. So you can do what you like, your preference. No spinach on that one?
No.
I try. Lord knows. Don't forget your garlic.
Our leaky bowl.
Zoodles and the mozzarella. Well, the zoodles are gonna really make this nice. Oh, look at that.
Zoodles. Lasagna burrito.
Okay, here you go.
Remember which one was mine?
Yeah, I see the sausage sticking out.
And we're going to put sauce on the top.
And this is veggie. Veggie rolled up lasagna. So if we get 3 in each dish with some sauce in between, that'll be nice.
Getting good at it, see?
This is a nice dish for a party or something, right?
Yep.
You could have a whole tray of these made. There's 6 in a pack, so
So you don't want sausage on yours?
no, I'll skip the
Could
sausage.
use hamburger, right?
Yeah. You want some more of this? We'll finish it up.
It was easy.
Yeah. It's all about getting it ready, right?
The oven's preheated, you hear that?
I heard that's a good.
Maybe the cheese will hold it together like glue at the end.
Yeah, and then when you get it in there, spread them out, and we'll put sauce in the middle. Mozzarella. This will be a good test for these sheets. We've never used them yet, but I like the idea.
We can
Kind
just
of
eat
nice.
it out of here, like lasagna, or I don't know if we'll be able to pick it up at the end, right? Now you're going to put sauce on top of that?
Yeah, let's put the sauce and some mozzarella in it. You're right. If we can't pick them up out of there easily.
You can just cut them and eat them out of there.
Yes.
Maybe if we leave them sit like we do lasagna, how it firms up some.
Right, it'd be easier to pick up.
You can put salsa on mine if you
Okay.
want.
This is the vodka sauce. You could use whatever sauce you like, but we thought we'd try something different today. This is not one of the sauces that we usually use here, is it?
No.
Rick, do you got any ideas for the next video?
Pass the word.
You got
Spaghetti and meatballs.
We did that.
Well, we can do that every week.
I know.
Wednesday is spaghetti day.
What else would you like to try?
Pizza, pasta.
Pizza pasta.
Pasta pizza. We're going to use our pasta maker.
Yes, we do.
We didn't forget.
No, we didn't
just
forget.
have a lot to do.
And we don't always take a video of everything we cook, right?
Yeah, the oven's preheated. That's what that beeping is.
Okay. I want to put all the sauce on because I want it to cover all the pasta edges.
Remember which one's mine?
You got the one with the wide edge there.
Hmm.
And I'm going to get sauce down in between them. So they get nice and soft on the pasta. Yeah, this is great. Let's finish it up.
Great.
It's great. We did make this recipe up too, so if you think you want to alter it, please do, because we're...
Oh, well then we'll see it on TV next month.
Yeah.
On the,
I'd like when they make our recipes on TV. And
what I
then
made, they say.
we're going to
That's
add
okay.
a little bit more mozzarella.
Oh, that's good.
And you know, everything in here doesn't have to cook very long, just needs to be warmed up. Like Rick's sausage was made an hour ago, so we're ready to pop them in.
We're going in the Kasori something or other over there. What is
Yeah,
that?
the Kasori toaster oven, which is an
Air fryer, rotisserie, everything else the oven does.
I did check. 2 of these dishes fit side by
Okay,
side.
that's good.
These are the 6-cup Pyrex dishes. Looks good, right?
Yep.
All right.
30
We're gonna
minutes?
set it for 20 minutes.
All right. And then we're going to eat, right? We might leave them sit for 10, 15 minutes.
Yes. So we'll get them out and we'll show you when they are set for a little while.
All right. I'll be ready.
Let's clean up this mess. All right, we got 5 minutes to go, but I want to show you how it's cooking here. Looking good. The cheese is melted. The sauce is bubbling up the sides on the pasta. They're looking nice, so we'll let them go for 5 more minutes. Okay, time's up here. We're going to get these out and let them cool down a little bit. Ooh, look at this one. This is Rick's, full of sausage. Lasagna roll-ups. Looks good, huh?
Wow.
This one,
Burritos.
you can see the sauce in there, and the noodles, right? Where that really bubbled up. They both look great. Let's let them cool off and we'll be
Yeah.
back in a couple minutes.
They're cool enough?
I think it's cool enough. Let's see, should we try to get them out with a spatula, or are you going to eat them out of the dish?
Let's try that. Right there, see?
Yeah,
Tell.
yeah.
Close up. Oh.
Look at that.
Ooh, I can eat that like an enchilada.
Ooh, it came out nice.
Lasagna enchilada.
All right, now
Oh, hunk.
let's try the veggie one here.
Ooh.
Now these stayed a little more
Veggie.
puffy. This one's a little bit falling apart. There we go. That looks good.
How are you going to eat it? I like to eat it like this. Look.
No, I'm going to use a fork.
Lasagna. Sausage. Cheese. We have company.
Josh and Jamie, you want to try? Okay.
We would like this.
All right, now this one's zoodles, zucchini, and spinach. and ricotta cheese and all that.
It's just like lasagna, rolled up. 3 of them.
Wow.
With everything, mozzarella, ricotta, garlic.
Want to taste this one?
No, want this one?
No.
Look at it.
Hey, I like this recipe. I want to mention one more thing. When I was reviewing the package here, I said no boiling required, but it does say that it needs to be cooked thoroughly. So you got to make sure you cook it in sauce or something, so that
It says keep refrigerated.
yeah. And we
Well, how
have.
can you bake it in the refrigerator?
So just wanted to mention that, so you can expect that you have to actually bake it.
It was good. If you leave it sit for a while, you can pick it up like I did, or just eat it with a fork. I like
Serve it with a salad or some vegetables or something, some bread. Okay, thanks for joining us today
Bye.
and watching our video.
See you later.